Okay, we are off. We are pushing through this main lake, and we're going to find a piece of crown land about 5.5 kilometers up ahead through a few different lakes.
Beautiful.
We've got up to a higher lake here, and now we're going to start looking for a campsite. We're going to find a campsite somewhere around here. There's one straight ahead that looks kind of nice beside a little bit of a waterfall, but we also want to go check out a big waterfall that's further down the lake that way, so we might just paddle out there, check it out, and see if there's any campsites along the way. If not, we'll come back here.
We can stop for lunch here.
Okay.
For breakfast.
Ready for a picnic?
Yeah.
Maybe one thing we should show them first.
Yeah, so you might have noticed, but yeah, it's not just the two of us anymore. We've got a little timber baking in here. So we're really excited. Already about almost 6 months. So we've been hiding it almost all year.
We plan on bringing the baby on lots of fun adventures.
Yeah.
All right, shall we have some lunch?
Yes. Yeah, baby's hungry.
Caitlin's had to wear some pretty baggy clothing and some pretty hot days to try to hide this from you guys.
Yeah.
All right, we decided to keep moving on, and I think we found a nice site right up ahead here.
Nice fire pit, bench, there's like a little table.
Right on.
That's a good one.
It is a little good one. We're home. Is that as far as we go?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the campsite. Looks great. Nice spot to put the tent back here. I remember as a kid, setting up tents was always like, it seems so hard.
I know.
Now,
It's so long.
yeah, now they go up
Like
together so
IKEA
quickly.
furniture.
Woo! Oh, that's nice.
Baby's first swim.
Yeah, first swim in the lake. The belly floats. I don't know if you can hear, there's a roaring waterfall just over there. There you go. Beaver took this one down. It's a hard one and it's dry. That's all.
It's
we
a good
need.
one. Midday siesta.
It was a last minute decision to come on this trip. A 3 a.m. wake up. Long drive, long paddle. Now that we're here, we're just soaking it in. Same day, another adventure. Feels like it's been 3 days that we've been out here already. It's still our first day. We've got a lot done.
Off to take some photos.
Okay, we just finished shooting the waterfall. Now Keelan's gonna switch into her second look in this white blouse. You look beautiful, darling.
Thank you.
Look at this. Look at where we are. A nice little weekend getaway, hey?
Yeah.
Caught a bunch of bass, but nothing that we want to eat. Okay, on the fire she goes.
See if this chicken is cooked. Perfect. Smelling good. Almost done. Got it?
Yeah, barely.
Is it hot?
No.
Fire roasted fajitas.
To the last of the sunset. Everything about this is great except for the idea of me holding 2 fajitas while the mosquitoes bite me. And I have no free hands to swat them. That was the worst part of the trip.
Got us some water.
Yeah. Ah, that's nice. Morning, darling.
Morning.
What a sunrise, hey?
Yeah.
See the sun rays coming through the trees from the mist of the waterfall. Ah, it's beautiful. Oh, big one, that's neither.
Wow! Good job!
Yeah. We're having fish for breakfast.
Amazing.
Some people don't like pike, but as long as you wash it really good, rinse it a few times, I think it has the most flavor. I love it. Quick and easy breakfast catch. Nothing like going out there, casting 5 times and bringing home a fish for breakfast. Having a fish fry. You having fun, darling?
Yeah.
Want to tell everybody what time it is?
It's probably about 6 a.m. now.
Little baby brain over here woke up at 5:30.
Okay, Tristan is going to fill out the fish. We're gonna have a breakfast feast. It's turning out to be another gorgeous day. It's a beautiful Crownland campsite we got here.
This is the lucky hook. When I was 12 years old, I caught a 12-pound pike on one of these, and I've been fishing with these ever since. There we go, Rapala, free plug. Give it a little wash here so it's not all slimy when I'm filleting. Perfect. Just put it there. Another half. Okay.
Nice piece of fat wood here.
Got it. Okay, I got some small twigs up there.
Here.
We got some mediums there.
Thank you.
All right, nice fire, darling. Okay, eggs are ready. As good as eggs could
Yum.
possibly taste.
Better. That's all I get. 2 beautiful sips.
That's why I bought it a small Kuska. Pregnant women can't have much caffeine.
It's done.
Oh, some nice crunchy bacon.
It's done.
There's something incredibly gratifying about eating the food that you've caught yourself.
Tastes better.
Sure. Yeah. It's a real treat to pull a fish out of the water and cook it up on a fire. I feel like there's a lot of people in the world that don't get this opportunity, so we try not to take it for granted. We know we're fortunate to live in Canada and be able to come out here and throw a hook in the water and pull out a fish and make a fire in the wilderness and cook it up. It's awesome. Well, rest our bellies a little bit and then pack up and head home.
Yep.
Pretty great. 24 hours in paradise.
Hey, we are off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love reading all of your comments, so if you enjoyed watching this, please leave me a comment. I read every single one of them, the good and the bad. Yeah. And we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Okay, I'll get in here.